Here's how to record in 4K on the iPhone 15 or even other iPhone models. Let me explain it. So if this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss future videos. So naturally you can use the built-in camera and just switch to the video mode where you'll have the ability to control the resolution as well as the frame rate. So in the top left we have a little like floating button, and for me it right away tells that the resolution is in 4K and the FPS is set to 30. But I can click on it, and in my case I can only switch between HD and 4K, but yeah, just make sure you switch to the proper one. It is better, however, to open up the settings and check out the camera section, which appears right away in here. And when you click on the record video button, it gives you the ability to pick the default option for capturing videos. And naturally, since you want to record in 4K, it would make sense to pick one of those options so you don't have to manually switch to 4K in the future. So I personally keep it at 4K 30 FPS, even though 60 would be a bit smoother, but it would take up more storage. So naturally, it is up to you. And there are even more options, right? So you can record videos not in just the regular video mode. You can also go to the cinematic mode there as well. You can pick the 4K resolution, and it doesn't work with the slow motion, however, so that's a little bit of a downside, but that is generally how it works. I want to quickly touch on some third-party camera apps as well. For example, there's the Final Cut camera, which is from Apple, but you need to download it from the App Store. And in it there, you have a little bit more controls over your camera and video recording. So you can as well just go for the specific resolution, like pick the 4K in here, but even more like the manual controls for the focus and exposure and white balance and all of those things are in here, which are simply not part of the camera app, the built-in one. So if you need more, check out an app like this one. But that is all from me. Let me know what you think about the video below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.